All right, my loves, let's head to checkout. Don't you dare sleep on Dollar Tree. Don't you sleep on now. Honey, I'm trying to tell you something good here. Did you see this? Did you? Not them selling medicated witch hazel, okay? Wipes. Now, you get 15 of these made with aloe, cools, and smooth, and soothes. This is medicated wipes. And I'm not going to begin to tell you, yes, they flushable. Yes, they are. Yes. $1.25. Honey, it gets no better. Well, it do get better than this. Check this out. All right, family. So today we are in a Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Starting off straight to the point. New items at Dollar Tree. Do you mind if I swing your way? I know you don't, honey. Now, get into this. Dollar Tree has this lip oil, hydrating lip oil. Honey, is Dollar Tree bringing out the best of the best for me? Now, this is the Sheer New Hydrating Lip Oil. This is $1.25, and of course, this is from One and Only Be Pure. All right, honey, only thing I can do is deliver, and that's word to the mother and the brother. You see these foil finishes, these new nail polishes, okay? I don't know why Dollar Tree, somebody turned it like that, but honey, we need to turn this thing around. Now, Dollar Tree has this green, which is really, really cute. I absolutely like this. They also have like this bluish, greenish color. They have this silver over here. This pinkish looking color. Honey, $1.25. So Dollar Tree has their gift wrap paper out already, and they have the Spider-Man. This is so cool. They also have Goofy. Love this. And these are $3. Really, really cool. They also have Stitch. Now, other items Dollar Tree have as well is the Christmas, the 4-foot UN lit PVC tree. These are $6. They come in 2 different colors. They have the green and also the white. Honey, can I just bring you the deal trails for real? Honey, can I have you move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets? Check this out. So Dollar Tree also have, honey, let me tell you something. So this is actually a dupe from So DJ Nero. I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me, honey, in the comments. All right. Now, this is the Spa Luxury Limited Edition Hand Cream Brazilian Orchid. And then they also have Brazilian Soul. Okay. Hand Cream, Pistachio Caramel, and then Orchid Sandalwood. Honey, had to look at that real quick. $1.25. Now, other items that are absolutely fabulous is the Marie Claire. This is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner, Jet Black, $1.25. Dollar Tree is really moving. Now, another item from Marie Claire is the Dusty Pink. Not the musty, but the dusty liquid blush. This is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree, of course, have the Biofill makeup removal wipes. 25 of these you get for $1.25. A steal deal. Other items Dollar Tree has is the Nightmare Before Christmas lip gloss. Look at this. Looky, cookie. This is cute. Oh, they also have the lip pencils. Now, this is new. Or is this repackaged? You know, sometimes they be repackaging it and it looks new. Now, my loves, if you guys are looking for some cosmetic bags, Dollar Tree definitely has them. I absolutely love these bags. They are big enough. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the green. Oh, wait. The pink, the green, the blue. And then they also have the light pink. Now, if you can't make it to the supermarket, Dollar Tree, of course, has the Bounty, the 4-pack. These are $9. They say 4 equals 12. Okay. They also have the Dove Holiday Treat Soap. They have 4 different scents. They have the Sugar Cookie Sprinkle. They also have the Cinnamon Pumpkin Pie. And also the Peppermint Bark. And then they also have the same exact thing, Sugar Cookies Sprinkle. Another cool item at Dollar Tree is the acne patches. If you're a person that has like pimples and stuff, listen, this is good. 24 of these you get for $1.25. That is a steal deal like Holyfield. They have the cherry one, and then they also have the sunflower in the heart. Absorbs oil and residue, reduces inflammation. Dollar Tree also have these little revitalizing and renew face masks. This one is cranberry blueberry gel. They also have the dragon fruit and mango gel, $1.25. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is this plump serum. This is the collagen serum. This is $1.25. They also have the shimmer. This is the multi-purpose dry oil radiant glow for face and body. And then they also have the silver lining. This is $1.25. Now, in this hot item, Dollar Tree brought more back. Okay, the Super Greens Vitality Serum, and then they also have, this is the brightening eye cream with kale and vitamin C. Okay, so this is what I'm here for. I am here for the beef flavored dumplings. Oh my goodness, tastes so good. And then I'm also going to get some Well Bills again. I mean, the strawberry was definitely my favorite, so I'm gonna get about 6 or 9 of these. All right, so we got our dumplings. They only had 3, but you know, I'm satisfied with that. Listen, so I'm gonna go ahead and get, I said 9 of these. But Dollar Tree also have these other new drinks. This is called Splash, the sparkling kiwi watermelon. They have, and then they also have the Well Bills ring pop watermelon crafted soda, $1.25. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is the Hers Forever Good. You get 10 bags of chips for $5. They have the sour cream, they have the regular potato chips, they have the cheese curls, and then they also have the popcorn. Now, if you guys are into football, Dollar Tree definitely has the Admit One Lifetime membership, the Philadelphia Eagles, and then they also have others over here. Somebody must be an Eagles fan, you know, because I go to all the Dollar Trees, mainly in New Jersey, and I keep seeing Eagles. This is cute. And then they also have these little water bottles, little bowls over here, well, big bowls, kind of. And then they also have the magnetic bag clip, 2-piece for $1.25. Now, a few days ago, somebody asked me, did Dollar Tree have any plants? And this is pretty much what they have for like the floral arrangements. You know, I came across this, and I know it looks a little skimpy, but I thought this was really, really cute. You know, it's a good add-on item. This is pretty much all what they have. Now, Dollar Tree also has these cute pumpkin trays. I like these. These are really, really nice. And if you guys have not seen these already, these are cute. Now, this is, they sell an item like this at Pottery Barn, right? But for way more. And at Dollar Tree, you can get these little leaf trays. These are $1.50. They come in different colors. They have the green and also the red. Honey, not me forgetting about the orange. Now, if you guys are looking for a body scrub for your little ones, Dollar Tree has the Barbie, the Villains, and then they also have Stitch. These are $1.25. Another great find is this over here, the comb with the bobby pins. I like this. 10 pieces for $1.25. Now, another item Dollar Tree has is the Irish Spring Soap, the 5-in-1. It has the shampoo, conditioner, body, face 24-hour deodorizer. Me personally, Irish Spring, you know, it'll really dry my skin out. So for me, there's definitely a no-go. Now, Dollar Tree also have these body washes over here, like the gold shimmer. You want to get your shimmy on, honey, come on down to Dollar Tree. They also have the pink one and also the purple shimmer. Now, the purple is berry scented, the pink one is tangerine scented, and then the gold is vanilla scented. a body wash that smells absolutely divine. It is the Peel Good Orange. Now, this smells so amazing for $1.25 from LA Looks. Now, if you guys are looking for hand wipes on the go, Dollar Tree has the 20 wipe jasmine and dragon fruit, $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for the LA Colors Eyes and Lip Studio, now Dollar Tree at this location, they still have a few. All right, now I do have this color right here, Crazier. Absolutely love it. And it's another one I have. I don't think they have it at this. I think they sold out. The mascara, definitely, it was not for me. I've seen some better mascaras that comes from LA Colors at Dollar Tree, but that one definitely was a no-go. They also have the lip crayon, the shadow stick, really, really cool. These are $1.25. All right, family, so our total was $22.75. Yes, with the EBT card, okay? Now, let us know in the comment section, what were your favorite items that you guys had seen? Mine definitely was those witch hazel wipes. Being the fact that they have witch hazel and then they flushable, that was like definitely a steal deal, like Holyfield. The dumplings, oh my goodness, is always a must. I absolutely love their dumplings. What else they had? They have so many new items. The Marie Claire, always a good thing when I see Marie Claire at Dollar Tree. Honey, you know, they have so many items. I'm trying to think off top. But let us know, what are some of the items that you guys recently purchased and that was really, really good? And then also, what are you on the lookout for from Dollar Tree? With that being said, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.